Welcome back to Tiny Design Dragon. Today, we're delving into the world of freelancing and working from home. In this vast, ever-evolving field, one of the most crucial steps to setting yourself up for success is choosing the right niche. Now, what exactly is a niche? Well, it's your specific area of expertise, the corner of the market where your skills and passion collide. To find your niche, you need to ask yourself two key questions. First, what are you passionate about? Maybe it's graphic design, maybe it's digital marketing, or perhaps it's something else entirely. Your passion is the fuel that will keep you motivated even on those long, challenging days. The second question is, what are you really good at? This is where your skills come in. You might be passionate about many things, but it's your skills that will truly set you apart in the competitive freelancing market. Your skills are your unique selling proposition, the thing that clients will hire you for. When you find the intersection of your passion and your skills, that's your niche. For instance, in my case, it was design. I loved everything about it, and I had the skills to back up my passion. That's how I found my niche. Finding your niche isn't always easy. It takes time, introspection, and sometimes even a little trial and error. But once you've found it, it can be a game changer. It can help you stand out from the crowd, attract the right clients, and ultimately build a successful freelancing career. Once you've found your niche, you're ready to start building a portfolio that showcases your best work. But we'll dive into that in our next segment. So stay tuned, and remember, finding your niche is not just about finding your place in the market, it's about finding your place in the world. See you in the next segment. Now that you've picked your niche, it's time to make a portfolio that wows clients. This isn't just a collection of your work. Your portfolio tells your story, your journey, and your evolution as a professional. It's the first impression you make, the handshake before the conversation. Let's talk about what makes a portfolio strong. It's not the volume of work you've done, but the quality and relevance of that work. Ensure that your portfolio showcases your best work, the projects that you're most proud of, the ones that best represent your skills and expertise. Your portfolio should be more than just a gallery. It should tell a story. Each project, each piece, should come with a narrative. What was the challenge? What was your approach? How did you overcome obstacles? What was the outcome? This narrative gives depth to your work and provides insight into your problem-solving abilities. Don't forget to keep it updated. As you grow and evolve, your portfolio should too. Regularly add your latest projects, showcasing your most current skills and abilities. Now let's talk about organization. Your portfolio should be easy to navigate. Categories, tags, filters, these are your best friends. Make it easy for potential clients to find what they're looking for. Visual appeal is also crucial. Remember, aesthetics matter. Choose a clean, professional design that lets your work shine. Use high-quality images and make sure your text is easy to read. And lastly, make it accessible. Your portfolio should be just a click away. Include it in your email signature, your social media bios, your business cards. Make it easy for potential clients to find and explore your work. Your portfolio is more than just a showcase of your work. It's a reflection of who you are as a professional. It's your brand, your identity. Make it stand out. Make it memorable. Remember, your portfolio is your resume. Make it unforgettable. Networking and client relations are often underestimated, but they're essential. They're the lifeblood of your freelancing career, the bridge between you and your next big project. It's all about making connections both online and in the physical world. Networking events are a goldmine of opportunities. You never know who you might meet, what doors might open. Be genuine, be memorable, be interested in others. It's not just about selling yourself, it's about forming relationships. And speaking of relationships, let's talk about your clients. Client relations can make or break your freelancing career. A satisfied client is a repeat client, a source of referrals, a positive review waiting to happen. So take the time to understand their needs, exceed their expectations, and build that trust. Remember, every client interaction is an opportunity to strengthen your professional reputation. Happy clients can become repeat clients, build strong relationships. Pricing can be tricky, but it's crucial for your success. It's a balancing act, really. You want to be competitive, but you also want to be fair to yourself. So how do you pull off this tightrope walk? Let's delve into it. One of the strategies you might consider is value-based pricing. This is where you set a price based on the perceived value of your work to the client. It's a great way to ensure you're compensated for the true value you're providing, instead of just trading hours for dollars. Alternatively, you might opt for a tiered pricing model. This means offering different packages of your services at different price points. It allows clients to choose the level of service that fits their needs and budget. But regardless of the strategy you choose, keep in mind this golden rule. Your pricing should reflect the quality and value of your work. Don't shortchange yourself. Remember, your pricing reflects your worth. Working from home requires discipline and time management. It's about creating a daily routine that works for you. Start your day at a set time, break up your tasks, and make sure to incorporate regular breaks. It's also important to eliminate distractions. This could mean turning off notifications, decluttering your workspace, or setting boundaries with others in your home. Lastly, don't shy away from using time management tools. A good productivity app can work wonders in helping you stay on track. Remember, efficient time management is the key to juggling multiple projects. Rejection and setbacks are a part of the freelancing journey. Just like you, I've walked this path, and I've come face to face with challenges that seemed insurmountable. There were moments of self-doubt and times when I questioned if I was cut out for the freelancing world. But let me tell you, every no I encountered, every setback I faced only propelled me forward. It's all about perspective. These are not roadblocks, they're stepping stones. So turn setbacks into comebacks and keep your motivation alive. In conclusion, freelancing success is attainable with hard work and dedication. Reflect on these key points. Hone your niche, create an impressive portfolio, build meaningful client relations, price your services smartly, manage your time well, and transform setbacks into stepping stones. Remember to choose your niche wisely, build a standout portfolio, master client relations, price smartly, manage your time efficiently, and turn setbacks into stepping stones. Thank you for joining us today on Tiny Design Dragon. We hope you found value in today's session. Show your support by giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more insightful content. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more content like this. Until next time. Next.